Hi friends, I am Sandhya and today's video topic is constructor. We can discuss about what is constructor in Java. We create a constructor to initialize an object. They have the same name as the class but have no implicit return type. It can be used to set initial value for object attributes. It is similar to Java method. At the time of calling the constructor, the memory is allocated for the object. Each class in Java has a constructor, even if you do not create one. Java implicits call a constructor with and data members and values set to 0. Then when is a constructor called? A constructor is called when a object or instance is created. It is used to assign value to data members of the same classes. Then we can discuss about rules for the constructor in Java. The first rule: a constructor does not have return type. Second rule: the name of the constructor is the same as the name of the class. Then constructor cannot abstract final, static, and synchronized keywords. You can use access specifiers such as a public, protected, private with constructor. Then next is a type of constructor. In Java, constructor can be divided into three types. First is a no argument constructor, a parameterized constructor, and then is a default constructor. First is a Java no argument constructor. Similar to method, a Java constructor may or may not have any parameters. If a constructor does not accept any parameters, is known as no argument constructor. For example, constructor function, then curly brace, constructor body. Then second type is a Java parameterized constructor. A Java constructor can also accept one or more parameters, such as constructor are known as parameterized constructor. It is used to assign value to distinct object. If we want to initialize field of the class with our own values, then use the parameterized constructor. Then third type is a default constructor. A default constructor with no arguments is called as a default constructor. If we do not create a constructor of a class, Java creates a default constructor with data members which have values like 0, null, etc. Then next point is a constructor overloading. Just like it is just like method overloading. Constructor can be overloaded to be create object in a different way. The compiler differentiate constructor based on how many arguments are the present in the constructor and and other parameters like a order in which the arguments are passed. Then use of this keyword in constructor overloading. However, we can this keyword inside the constructor, which can be used to invoke other constructor of the same classes. This keyword should be first statement inside a constructor. Then next point is a difference between methods and construction. First is a method. Method name need not be same as the class name. Then constructor name has to be same as the class name. Then method has a return type, and constructor does not have a return type. Then third difference in method. You can call a method any number of times. Then constructor is called when an object is created. Thank you.